Welcome, welcome everybody. Hello, hello. It's so lovely that you will be watching this recording wherever you are. And we just really wanted to tune in and bring you a little bit of the magic that we're going to be sharing at the end of this month, because it really is a really special 2 days that you are getting to spend with us. So what I'd like to do is just to start by introducing myself. I'm Kerry Dell. I've been in the natural health game for over 25 years. I've got a clinic that I work out of here in Auckland. I'm a natural health practitioner, but besides that, I have been doing online coaching and different programs for many, many years now. I've been working with the Wild Fit program for about 6-7 years, and as a Mind Valley head coach for probably about 5 years now.
Welcome and greetings to you. I'm Carmel Riley, and we're shooting this in my house, aren't we, Kerry? I teach meditation and manifesting, which comes through the balance of your own healing and your own deep vigil with yourself. So the aim is really just to get you inside, get you into your mind, and then you can bring forward more of who you really are.
So my programs are not just about cleaning the body and cleansing the body, but it's always been also about your belief systems. And really, I truly believe that, we are made up of energy, frequency, and vibration. And in order to heighten that, in order to actually tune in and really live your best life, you have to have the best energy. So how do we get that best energy? And that is really through what we're going to be doing over the weekend, which is cleansing and really aligning you to what this magnificent year is going to bring. So I know Carmel's going to talk in a minute, but I'd just like to go through and explain to you what I'll be covering on the Saturday. So on the Saturday, it's really about understanding what happens within the physical body, because I think when you've got an understanding with an experience, then that's when the magic happens. So the understanding about how our digestive system really works and how our digestive system affects our energy, frequency, and vibration, I think is really, really key. So when we've got an understanding, and then we'll move into you actually having an experience of it, I think that is going to possibly unlock some of those blocks that you could be having on your way to reaching your highest frequency and vibration. So besides the digestion and getting a good understanding, it's also about knowing what affects and what can cause those blocks, because I'm all about finding root causes. What is the root cause of those symptoms? I'm never treating symptoms, I'm looking underlying. I'm always looking, what's the root cause? What's the root cause? And most often we don't even realize that there are pathogens and toxins hiding in our body, hiding in the digestive system, hiding in our nerves, hiding in the connective tissue, hiding in the different cells that is causing those blocks. And what causes those is that could be stress. So I'm going to be able to explain to you exactly what happens with stress and how our body handles or not handles stress. But it could also be that, we pick up viruses and bacteria and parasites and things like that all the time. And we are the home for them. We really are the home for these little bugs and organisms that are around. Now, we can handle that. We really, really can handle that. But when it gets too much or gets too overwhelming in our system, and I'm going to go through reasons why it can become overwhelming and too much in the system, then those start reacting in the body and start showing up as symptoms. So we could have a virus that we probably had as a child, and it lies dormant for many, many years. And then there's a trigger that happens in our life, and it activates this. And all of a sudden we got Hashimoto thyroidism, or all of a sudden we've got an autoimmune issue, or all of a sudden we've got a chronic disease or illness. And these things can definitely be dealt with, not only handled within the system, but we can get rid of them. We don't have to carry this. We really don't have to carry any of these symptoms and any of these illnesses and diseases for the rest of your life. No, we can actually get it and remove it out of your bodies. So I think that it's going to be so enlightening. If there is anything that you want to really cleanse, clean, any information that you want to learn, Saturday is going to be the day where we actually dive into the physical side of things and cleanse and realign. And oh my goodness, you will also be receiving my deep cleanse. So that is going to be exciting.
So we'll be really going into your subconscious blocks and really looking at your own mind processes and how you can quieten and listen to yourself, because that's really what both meditation and manifesting is. It is really just understanding how your mind works and how you get out of your everyday bustle. So it really helps to be in nature. It really helps to be in a supportive environment, and we will be working in groups and in pairs, and the peer work is really just to help you guide you through the process of understanding working with the different mind levels. So it's going to be fun, because we're going to work with Kerry's amazing program of cleansing on, and then I'll be doing the alignment. And then both of us, I didn't say that I've got a long career in business. I've been working as a tribal business entrepreneur since the 90s, which is a long time, and doing a lot of teaching in the governance and strategy space. So both Kerry and I are really strategic, and we'll be helping you set your plan for 2024, because that really is the most important thing. The weekend is the energizer, the invigorator, but you want to be able to leave with these tools, these practices, so that you can run, and a plan so that you can be successful, however you determine success for 2024. So we're looking forward. We've had some registrations, haven't we, Kerry?
Yes, and we're so excited, because I think that's exactly it, Carmel, with the amount of experience that you and I have both had. We are so excited to share this and allow the energy of this 2024 year to really be just heartened, absolutely heartened, right at the very beginning.
Yeah, and I think so. Something that's really important for me in terms of the teaching on Sunday is the practice. So I've really simplified it down to practicing, how you slow your mind down first, and then second, how you find your limiting beliefs. And a lot of those are just, as you said, they started early in your childhood as inflammation in the body, or in the mind. They've started as, limiting programs that we've basically accepted, stories of our parents and our whānau and our society, and that all sits there and, doesn't actually manifest until we're in our mid-30s. So it's a lot about finding those. So we'll be really practicing that, and that's why we use the peer work. And then at the end of it, as a group, we're doing lots of activations, aren't we?
Yes, and I love that. When our bodies are clean and clear and really energized, it's the best time to dive into the subconscious mind and the intuition. Because I truly feel that your intuition is the one that is going to guide you for the rest of your year. But if you've still got these limiting beliefs, or if you've still got something that's really hiding in your subconscious mind, you can't go out there fully and express who you truly want to be and actually get the goals that you truly want to manifest in the year. So, Carmel, you're going to be wrapping that all up on that Sunday. And definitely, we're all about action and plans, and giving you the tools to do that. So yes, I am so excited. So anybody else that still wants to register, we still have some time. So yes, let's get on board, and hope to see you there. Really, it's in 2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. And the other little bit that we haven't mentioned is just in terms of the timing. We're actually coming into this massive shift. It's like a 1500-year shift, and we're all feeling that. So we'll be coming with that new moon, which is literally one day before the workshop starts, which is just a time for setting intentions and really harvesting them for the next year. So it's such a powerful time universally, and we'll be adding that in. If you're interested in your stars, we'll be giving you your star chart, which will help you to understand how you work with universal energy, but also it's just a time for us as a group to actually support each other in our individual goals as as creators, because that's the main thing. So if you have any questions, you can either, you've got our links, we'll share them with you, but yeah, reach out to myself or reach out to Kerry if you're wondering whether this is a fit for you, and we can help you with that. So we look forward to seeing you on the 27th of January, yeah, Modi Order.
Awesome, thank you.